Good morning, boys and girls. For your English Language Arts paper today, we're going to be looking at EI words. And here is the EI word. We have ate, wait, and freight. EI sometimes makes the sound A. We've talked about words that have AI that say A and AY that say A. But EI can also say A, as in ate, wait, and freight. Okay? So you're going to use the three words in the box to fill in the sentences. A blank ship carries cargo and goods. Which one of those words would make sense there? A spider has blank legs. Blank tells us how heavy or light something is. Then you're going to pick one of the words in this box, ate, freight, or wait, and make your own sentence. Make sure that you have a capital letter at the beginning and punctuation at the end. The bottom part is a review of our homophones, words that sound alike but are spelled differently. You need to circle the word that is going to fit correctly in the sentence and write it in the space. Which one of you can dance? One or one? Which one of you can dance? My sister can go to the store for Mom. Which for would make sense there? And I went to the library today. One of these twos is a number. The other is not. Which one would make sense in this last sentence? I went to the library. Try your best at reading these sentences, and if you're having difficulty, play the video again and listen to me reading them so that you can understand where each thing goes. Do your best, boys and girls.